The phrase "when pigs fly, for Pete's sake" is an idiomatic expression used to convey extreme skepticism or disbelief about the likelihood of a certain event or situation occurring. It is often employed humorously to emphasize the perceived impossibility of something happening. The core of the expression is the notion of pigs flying, which is considered an absurd and fantastical scenario due to the biological limitations of pigs and the fact that they are not naturally equipped for flight. The addition of "for Pete's sake" adds a touch of emphasis or exasperation, intensifying the incredulity of the statement. The phrase can be traced back to the early 20th century as a way of highlighting the sheer unlikelihood of an event. The humorous and exaggerated imagery of pigs soaring through the air captures the essence of something that seems utterly improbable or contrary to reality. "When pigs fly, for Pete's sake" is often used to respond to outlandish claims, unrealistic expectations, or statements that are highly unlikely to come true. It's a way of expressing doubt or skepticism in a lighthearted manner, suggesting that the chances of the mentioned event occurring are as remote as pigs taking flight. In a broader sense, this idiom illustrates how language and culture utilize creative metaphors to convey complex ideas succinctly. While the literal scenario of flying pigs is implausible, the expression serves as a vivid and memorable way to communicate the concept of extreme improbability. It's important to note that idioms like "when pigs fly, for Pete's sake" are part of the rich tapestry of language that adds color, humor, and depth to communication. They provide insight into the ways people use language to express emotions, skepticism, and a shared sense of the unexpected. In conclusion, "when pigs fly, for Pete's sake" is an idiomatic expression that humorously conveys skepticism or disbelief regarding the likelihood of a certain event happening. The phrase's core imagery of pigs flying underscores the extreme unlikelihood of the mentioned situation occurring. It serves as an example of how language creatively employs metaphors to capture complex ideas and emotions succinctly while adding a touch of humor to communication.